Hello everyone, this is the CyberTA group and my name is Wanxin. So next I will show our Lab 3 Part 2 code demonstration. So first let's log into our Linux system. So for our Lab 3 Part 2 code, I create a folder named Lab 3 Part 2, and if we open the folder, you can see we have two .py file. One is the LSTM model tree, and another is doc.py. And we also have three CSV data. This file contains the stock data of the training model and the stock data of the simulated traits. And for this stock CSV, for example, we have the stocks Dell and stocks Uber, and this CSV was pre-processed data after we run the data pre-processing.py for our Lab 3 Part 1 codes. If we want to run our code, first we need to train the LSTM model. So we just open the terminal and just type Python 3 LSTM model train. And this may take some time to train the model, and we can also open the code through the TXT editor to see the code. So for this LSTM model train.py, we can see we add a lot of indicators to train the model, like the close, the RSI, and so on. So next we can back to the terminal and we can see after we run this code, first we will get a figure like this will draw the stock price prediction for 2023, and the blue line is the actual data and the orange line is the predicted data. We use our LSTM model, and we can close the diagram, and this will also print the accuracy related to the model, like the mean squared error, the root mean square error, and mean absolute error. And so this is all for the LSTM model train.py file.
Hello, everyone. My name is KuanHsien, and I am another team member for this demo. In the next part, I will simulate the trading environment and show when it's good for selling and buying stock based on our algorithm. Okay, so you can see now we are in the Lab 3 Part 2 folder, and I think this team member will have introduced the LSTM model trend apply, and right now I will use another script that's called stock to simulate the trending environment. So now we open the terminal. I think I have login in the our current folder, lab 3 underline part 2. And so now we open our startup pie to explain our algorithm. Yeah. So right now we are in our main screen for the simulate the stock trading environment. And you can see we will use the two files that's called stock.dale and stock.uber to as our simulator environment data. So we use these two stocks to simulate the trading environment. And the time range between our simulation is from the 2022 and until to 2023. So almost 2 years time. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal and the coding. Yeah. So you can see we will use the LSTM model that we trained previous, and we will design a trending strong function to decide when we'll sell, when we'll buy uh, stock. Yeah. So you can see we use the 2022 January until 2023 the December 33rd. And you also can see there is another part that we will implement the training strategy to uh, show how can we design our algorithm to check whether the stock will sell and buy. So I think this strategy is about using two indicators. One indicator is short SMA and long SMA. These these two simple moving average indicators are belong as one indicator. And the other one is that we use the LSTM model prediction price to do as our another indicator for our algorithm. Yeah. So we will use the short SNA and long SNA and RSI indicators to check the the stock will buying or selling. And based on these two indicators, we will use another STM model prediction stock price and combine these two uh, information and to show whether our stock will buy in or sell it. So for example, so if we know we have a stock and if we see that the short term SNA means that in 30 days the moving average, and we can see the stock price from the bottom and cross over the long term SNA and still upward. So it means that the stock trend will go up. And this will signal for buying the stock. And at the same time, if the RSI value is below 30, this means that this stock will underestimate. So it's also increase the buying signal. So com so at the same time, if our stock prediction price is higher than current price, and this will be uh, another strong buying signal. So combine these three information, we can judge that the stock is in a uptrend and it may be undervalued. So I will decide, oh, this stock will be buy from the stock investment. On the other hand, so if the long-term SNA cross over the short-term SNA, and you can see if the short-term SNA go up and close past the long-term SNA from the top to down, and it means that the trend will be decreased, and this is a selling signal. So at the same time, if RSI value is over the 70, this means that this stock will be overestimate. So it also increase the selling signal. So at the same time, the prediction price is lower than current the close price. It also means that the selling signal. So combine these three information. This case we can judge that the stock is in a downtrend and it can be overvalued. So we decide to sell this stock. This is a strategy for our algorithm for the trending simulation. So now we can go to the terminal to execute this Python file, the Python 3 star .py. Yeah. So you can see now they will let us to input our the initial cache to allocate every stock. So in our case, we use two stock. One is Uber and the other one is Dell. So we input the cache allocation for these two stock. Initial total cache will be 5,000. At Uber, we will allocate 3,000, and Dell will be 2,000. Yeah. So execute this script, you can see the trade signals from this chart for the first stock, Uber. And you can see the green means the buy signal and red means buy sell signal. And this will generate another chart for another stock, the Dell. So you can see there's a lot of opportunity to buy in stock. So now it's finished the simulation training environment. So you can see the result for our strategies. So it means that the final total profit after trending will be the $3,200. So you can see from the first results, like we input our initial cash for Uber is 3,000, and it will hold and still hold. And in this time, it will sell because this our algorithm indicate the sell signal. So you can sell the stock and they will sell and hold. So after this operation, the Uber stock will profit the 1,900, and another stock will be the same. So in the Dell stock, there will be 2,000 for the initial cash, and it will holding, still holding, and it will be profit 1,200. So the total profit is 322,200. Okay, that's all for our demo. Thank you for watching.